When two people get along, something subtle starts happening. Their movements begin to synchronize. One person crosses their arms. A few seconds later, the other does the same. One leans forward. The other gradually follows. This is called behavioral mirroring. And most of the time, it happens completely unconsciously. The brain contains mirror systems that help us interpret and predict others' behavior. When we feel comfortable with someone, those systems become more active. Our posture, gestures, and rhythm start aligning. It's the brain signaling psychological safety. Interestingly, the reverse is also true. When someone dislikes or distrusts another person, their movements often become deliberately different. They create distance in posture and timing. So mirroring isn't about politeness, it's about alignment. When two people feel socially connected, their nervous systems start moving in the same rhythm.